What's up guys, it's me Jimmy. So the question is the multimedia design degree good? At if you don't know, in multimedia design you will be learning various of skill. Number one, Photoshop. Most I'm talking of Photoshop normally is graphic design. It's not about specially you have to learn Photoshop, but Photoshop is become the de facto of graphic design world. You will be learning some Illustrator, you will be learning some mockup, plus you will learning some basic video editing, Adobe After Effects, Adobe Premiere Pro, and maybe some of these syllabus have the Final Cut, but Final Cut is not that popular, especially for the associate degree or the bachelor degree in multimedia design. Personally, I should go with Final Cut. I use Final Cut every day just to edit 8K video. It's much better on my M1 MacBook compared to the Windows. Again, Windows do not have a Final Cut compared to the After Effects on the Windows. I love Apple Motion a lot. So yeah, my personal opinion is that this is like if you do not go for the 4-year degree, go with the community college associate degree, which will be much more practical. Yes, do it, but do the associate degree. Or in some country like in the Ireland, UK, European country, Scotland, they have the, especially in Ireland, it's very popular, higher national diploma in multimedia design. But it should be practical, it not be theoretical. It should be practical. It should be at 2 years. In New Zealand, it's like advanced diploma level 6. It's combined the level 5 and level 6. Again, you can do in New Zealand level 5 and level 6. After you do, you can easily get a job, especially if you are a overseas student. So yeah, this is my opinion. I think I have to go. So is it worth it? Definitely yes, it is worth it. Subscribe.